Tired of ordering just Café con Leche every morning? Here's our guide to ordering coffees in Spain and how you can make the real deal at home. If you're like me, coming to Spain, you never know what type of coffee to order and end up usually ordering the same thing. My go-to is Café con Leche, but today, using our Dolce Gusto machine and these pods, which we get from Mercadona. We've tried a few different ones, but these are the ones that I think I like best. It's the Extra Forte. I'm going to try to recreate 6 or 7 typical Spanish coffees. Okay, first coffee I'm going to try and recreate is the standard Café con Leche, which is the kind of go-to one when I go for a coffee in Spain. And it's roughly going to be half and half coffee and milk. Now this is my secret hack. I warm up milk in the microwave and then give it a shake. And that recreates the frothy coffee that you get from a barista. You don't want it to be boiling, but just hot. That's a really nice Café con Leche. Nice and strong. Café con Leche, get me to Spain style. So number 2 is going to be Café Solo, which I'm a bit afraid to order it, thinking it's a bit strong and a bit short. When I want coffee, I usually want something that's going to last me more than a couple of minutes, but the Spanish seem to order the Café Solo, so let's see if we can do that. The Café Solo, it's typically about 35 or 40 mils of black coffee with no milk. Lovely foamy head on it, really nice. Oh, it's got a really nice, like nutty flavour. I could actually get used to that. I didn't think I'd like that at all. Very nice. Café Solo. Next up, we'll try Coffee Cortado. Next up, we'll try Café Cortado. Okay, so this is Coffee Cortado. This is about the same amount of black coffee into the cup, but only a little dash of milk on the top. Milk is meant just to take the edge off the coffee. It does just makes it a little bit sweeter maybe. I don't think I would have that, that's not. I'd either go for the Café con Leche or the Solo. This just seems to be a bit stuck in between. Next coffee we're going to try is Leche Manchada, which literally translates as stained milk. So it's really the opposite of the Cortado. It's a big measure of milk and then just a little bit of coffee poured into it. So this time we're going to start with the milk. Add a dash of the coffee to it. That looks really nice, doesn't it? It's got a nice thick like cappuccino foam in the top and it's settling into layers. Give it a little stir. That's probably most like a cafe latte. You can still actually taste the coffee, but it's much more creamy, milky flavour. Not bad at all. Actually, I didn't think I would like that at all. I thought it would be far too weak, but it's actually quite nice. Okay, next up is a very strange coffee. I couldn't believe it the first time I saw this one. We're sitting at a table in a coffee shop, and a man at the table next to us ordered coffee con hielo, which literally translates as coffee with ice. So we're going to try and make that. Now you can make it with any of your favourite coffees. You can make Solo con hielo or Café con Leche con hielo. So that's what I'm going to do. You literally just ask for your favourite coffee with ice. So I'm going to have Café con Leche with ice. Froth up a bit more milk. Just like before, the Café con Leche. And then it's usually served. So you get your coffee, like your normal coffee. Beside it, you get a bigger glass with ice in it, and then you just pour it over. And you can give it a stir. It'd be nice on a warm day, I suppose, a bit like today, a warm day, so it's not iced coffee, it's coffee with ice. A little bit weird. You're getting warm. I'm getting warm coffee coming through, and then a little taste of icy water. Not my favourite. The ice is making the coffee a little bit weaker. Café con Leche con hielo. Coffee number 6 is a very Spanish coffee that's usually taken after dinner. It's Café Bombón. So it's a shot of espresso, but first, in the glass, you pour a good measure of condensed milk. Condensed milk, and then the coffee is poured onto the top. Get a very nice layered effect. I have to stir it. This is something you could have in Spain instead of a dessert or a pudding after your meal. Oh, strong but very, very sweet. That's absolutely delicious. I'll definitely be finishing that one. And just when you thought it was over, I've got bonus content for you. So bonus content, coffee number 7 is Café Belmonte. And thanks to Andy from Brits Living in Spain for introducing me to this.
I would suggest don't add any sugar.
No.
Neil's a Belmonte virgin.
Not for much longer.
So it's coffee as before, a shot of condensed milk. It's basically, you're starting again. It's a Café Bonbon. This time, don't fill the coffee right to the top. You've got to leave a gap into the top of that. You've got to put a measure of brandy. Got to put a good measure in, there's no point skimping. And then you've got to stir it as before, and that's a Café Belmonte. Definitely a boozy coffee for the end of the evening. Oh, that's good. Cheers. I hope you've enjoyed our guide to how to make Spanish coffees at home. I will put in the description my recipe for these 7 coffee. So if you're interested, just have a look below in the description, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye. I won't be wasting this one. I'm taking this one home with me. Bye.
Welsh guys to Spanish son.